Imagine walking into a conversation feeling calm and confident. Preparation is your secret weapon. It reduces anxiety and ensures your discussions are clear and focused. Let's explore how preparation can transform your interactions. Start by clarifying your objectives. Define what you want to achieve. Gather all necessary information to understand the context. Anticipate potential reactions and plan your setting for a smooth conversation. Setting boundaries is crucial. Our 5-step framework begins with pausing and centering yourself. This helps you approach conversations with a calm and focused mindset. Active listening is next. Acknowledge and reflect on what you hear. Validate emotions without endorsing negative behaviors. This builds trust and understanding. Use I statements to communicate boundaries effectively. For example, I feel overwhelmed when. This approach validates emotions while clearly stating your limits. State specific limits assertively. Be clear about what you can and cannot do. This clarity helps others understand your boundaries without ambiguity. Pushback is common. Recognize styles like guilt tripping or gaslighting. Stay calm, breathe, and maintain a steady tone. This helps you manage the situation effectively. Reaffirm your boundaries with confidence. Use calm redirection to steer the conversation. For instance, let's focus on what we can do moving forward. Apply assertiveness in real-time conversations and emails. Use the model during difficult moments. This practice strengthens your ability to handle challenging interactions. Follow up with care, choice, or redirection. This ensures your boundaries are respected and maintains a positive relationship. Reflect on past situations where setting boundaries was tough. Evaluate your listening skills. Identify areas for improvement to enhance your assertiveness. Plan how to use the 5-step model in future scenarios. This proactive approach prepares you for successful boundary setting. Recap the key steps to mastering assertiveness. Preparation, active listening, and clear communication are your tools for success. Assertive communication benefits both personal and professional life. It fosters respect and understanding, leading to healthier relationships. By practicing assertiveness daily, you'll gain confidence and clarity. This journey empowers you to navigate interactions with ease. Take action today. Start applying these strategies in your daily interactions. Together, let's embrace assertiveness and transform our communication.